With such an exciting speech, we must keep it going. I'm pleased to introduce our next speaker, Michael Young, Strategic Advisor at Google Cloud. And Michael will share how to leverage AI for demand forecasting and inventory management. Everyone, please join me to welcome Michael. Welcome, Michael, and the stage is yours.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Michael, Strategic Advisor of Google Cloud, APAC. My job is to help all sorts of different companies to use Google Cloud technologies, whether it's AI or Web3 or security, to advance your business. So today I will talk about the AI usage in the demand forecasting and the inventory management. And I think in the past hour or so, you already heard a lot about AI or generative AI. So to us, AI is something that is really important to our generation because 25 years back we have internet, and then 15 years back we have the smartphone. But now AI is also changing the world with these advanced technologies. Of course, Google uses a lot of AI. And in fact, all of these Google applications or platforms or software, many of them are using AI all along, and 6 of them actually already have 2 billion users day in, day out using our AI. Whether you are using Chrome or Android or YouTube or Gmail, everything's AI behind. But of course, AI have many different types. For example, we trained the computer to understand data, the machine learning. And then we train the computer to understand language or text. And on the right-hand side, we use certain data to train the computer to understand image or video. So even you use your phone, every photos are AI enhanced. And your Face ID login is an image AI as well. Once you have those AI, once you have the computer trained it, then you can do something, analytical AI. That is something to use AI to help you to tell you what happened in your business, what went wrong, what went right. So it's an analytical AI. And then after that, again with the computer, you can use that to do predictive AI. So what's going to happen? Such that you can use AI to help you along to, hey, where should I get a new branch? Or what kind of a new product I should do? So this is a predictive AI. And this is demand forecasting and inventory management as well. So all sorts of inventory already using AI. For retail, demand forecasting, or in the website, recommendation, or search, or inventory optimization, all using AI. And in the industry and the manufacturing, whether it's about control or inspection or operations, all using AI as well. But of course, other than retail, industry, manufacturing, there are healthcare, financial services, and public sector as well. They are all using AI. Whether you know it or not, there's already AI behind this. And most of them, they use the contact center AI or document AI. I think the previous speaker just talked about how to use chatbot AI to help you to do better customer services or better business. But of course, AI is no stranger to Google because we have the scale. Every single day, almost 30% of internet traffic go through a Google network or Google infrastructure. So we have the scale, we have the expertise, and then we can also explain all the AI as well. Imagine AI tell you something, but it's not explainable. You don't understand why AI recommend this. It's no good for your business. But of course, in the last year or two, we have the new generative AI, something that you're using day in, day out with ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude to answer questions. This is one of generative AI. But actually, generative AI is more than chatbot because generative AI is good in something else. For example, it's really good to chunk in a lot of data, make complex data simple. That's one of the things, such that they can provide recommendation. or to help you to do research. So in my case, there's one banking client. They just import all their internal research to the platform and then add in the external research to the platform. Then they can simply ask the question, where should I put my money in first quarter of 2025? The AI will tell you based on the research report internally and externally, synthesize all the stuff, and then provide some recommendation to you. Second thing is conversational interaction. Chatbot is here, such that you can answer Q&A. But in our point of view, chatbot's more than Q&A. For example, you can ask the question, do you have a red color t-shirt, large size in your shop? The chatbot, of course, can check everything, the inventory, everything. But instead of asking just a simple answer, yes, they should answer that, yes, we have this t-shirt, red color in large size, but also the closest one, the closest shop around your office or your home is that one. Or if you prefer, I can deliver the t-shirt to you. Do you want to deliver by next Monday morning? The AI is smart enough to tell, by Monday morning, our delivery fleet can deliver the t-shirt to you. And lastly, content creation. That is create image, create email, or create slides. But you all, as a business leaderships or owners, sometimes you have to ask yourself, create a lot of email. Will it help you to gather more business? Or you want some more using the AI? In fact, AI can do a lot of things other than chatbot. So I'll show you one short video with some audio. Okay.
You as a user can put in what you have in your refrigerator and whether you want Mexican food, Chinese food, or different genres of food. It'll create a new recipe for you that's custom to the food that you have. On Monday, we thought maybe this is possible. But by Friday, with Google Cloud, it was real.
With Google Cloud, we at Bayer use generative AI to create synthetic data that generate new specific models for solving diagnostic problems. Faster diagnostics and better treatment can make a real difference in people's lives.
Priceline is building a new way to search, price, look, and experience travel at scale. It's taking generative AI and it's connecting the dots for a consumer, much as you would call a travel agent.
We are a geographically diverse company with many non-native English speakers who at AI has made writing so much easier for everyone in the company. We're all able to speak the same language.
So it's about an AI not only understand text, but also understand images or videos. So imagine in your website, online website, just import all sort of product image. The AI will automatically generate all the product description for you. The color, the style, the shape, everything by AI. But of course, other than the 4 companies, there are many other companies already using our AI. All these are the enterprises. But today, other than the big corporations, even for the generative AI startups, 70% of them are actually using Google Cloud because they use our cloud to train their AI, including very famous Runway and Flowpick, Cohere, and Character.ai. So today, how can we use AI for demand forecasting? I think nowadays, demand forecasting is very difficult, very challenging because there are many, many different customer behavior pop up, and you need a forecast for new items, and sometimes the item is so new, that's what we call the cold start problem. There's no history. How can you forecast the demand of the new items? And then every different market have different local conditions. And lastly, nowadays, there's not only the offline shop, you have many, many different shops to can buy things, many, many different channels, online or offline. As a matter of fact, in our research, the out of stock costs the packaged good 47 billion a year. And out of this, on the right-hand side, you can see that there are many, many key factors affect the demand forecasting and affect all of you when you're running your supply chain. And therefore, you need to collect a lot more data. I think previous speaker also talked about Google's or some other ways to collect data. It's because you cannot forecast just depends on the sales figures anymore. You need to do the forecasting on top of the sales figure. Also, you need to do is to collect the information about other retailer, marketplace, first-party data, third-party data, the production capacity when your supply chain is around the world. And lastly, in your company, the sales and the brand promotion campaign. But the problem is many of these data are limited, connected, all silos in everywhere and in many different applications or systems. However, if you improve your demand forecasting, there are some good advantages, such as reduction in errors and decrease in lost sales, reduce your costs, and also the administration costs, and also the inventory. All these numbers are from research reports, so you can save a lot of money and a lot of time as well with a better demand forecasting using AI. So in Google, you have 3 ways to tackle that problem, and I will cover the first 2. The first one is you develop your AI yourself. Secondly is you work with some system integrator partner to implement the demand forecasting AI. And lastly is to use some out-of-the-box demand. I will focus on the first 2. The first one is build your own. So how to build your own? If you are a company that have the central part, if you have an in-house data scientist team, and you can put in or ingest all your data from different e-commerce platforms to the new AI demand forecasting platform, then this is the way to go. Build your own. But not many times you have an AI team, right? Not many data scientists in your company. So in that case, you probably want that build with an SI partner. So you work with a partner to install something. This is sometimes what we call an as-a-service platform. That is software as a service platform. And here, this is for those who want to do that, the new application or new features with a partner instead of developed by themselves. So 2 approach. The third approach is install something. But the first approach is, the good thing is, how much you spend depends on how much AI features you use. If you use less, it costs less to you. For this one, most of the time, every month or every year, you need to pay some fee or subscription fee to the platform. So in our case, once you have this platform, the green part, then you can ingest a lot of data, the retail data, and also the public data. Earthquake somewhere, or somewhere there's the container ship have problem, the supply chain get disrupted. All this information inject into the platform, then it will provide a single source of truth and then help you to do planning, whether it's a strategy, pricing, or the allocation planning. Everything is through the AI with the data and the platform. Then the next one is, other than demand forecasting, how you manage the inventory level or how you optimize the inventory level. Because the first point, I already covered it in the demand forecasting, but something more will impact the inventory optimization, such as the demand for customization. Nowadays, many customers, they want something or everything personalized to themselves. And therefore, it's hard for you to maintain the inventory of different items. And then there are also personalized offer. I'm not sure about you. I myself receive a lot of emails every single day, and many of these emails are actually personalized to me only. So in that case, even I click the buy button, there's only one item from me. So how you can manage this kind of inventory level in your inventory? And lastly, the inventory is important because nowadays customers demand seamless, speedy, and cheap delivery. And that's why even you have a good demand forecasting, how you maintain the service level in your warehouse is also important. And that's down to what we call the 6 right. How you can keep the product, the right one, in the right level, to the right channel, right time, right price, and right cost. Right price and right cost means you don't want the stock stored far, far away that costs a lot of money to deliver. So you have to think about, even you know the demand, you have to think about how you can allocate the demands in different warehouses, in different inventory level to optimize it. And this is all the 6 different kinds of angles to look at it. So to do that, again, data is a problem, siloed information. And many times companies have a really old static systems, and they're slow in responding changes as well. I suppose country to country, city to cities have different flexibility or actions response time to all of this. But some of you will encounter one of these problems. So in Google, we have, again, some approaches to address this problem. First of all, we can build something what we call the supply chain twin. So you enter all this information, public information, community information, your own private information into the platform, then it will develop or build a digital supply chain. And using this supply chain model to guess what's the best inventory level in your different warehouse. So once you have the supply chain data model, then it can help you to answer certain questions. What about this weekend, Saturday and Sunday? What should be the inventory level of certain products? And then it can help you also ask what if scenario. What if Monday is also a public holiday? How much stock I should put or I should have it available in our online shop or physical store? And then the system will also have an alert system to tell you that whenever something went wrong, it will tell you. And that is what we call supply chain pulse. They will tell you the real-time information, some alerts, and it will tell you how to collaborate among teams. And all this can go to the business information analytics templates. So all these partners, maybe some of you are using some of their systems, but they are all our partners in data, applications, and also the system integrated together. All these companies can help you to do a better demand forecasting and also the inventory optimization. But it's not all. But today, I just focus on that too. In fact, in Google, we also have, other than the pulse, the demand, and the inventory, we also have fulfillment, sustainability, everything AI. And all these are the AI tools given you have all your data to input to the platform. So imagine Google also have Google phone, Google computers. We're all using this to manage our demand and also inventory. So case studies for a retail. You have the product data, and then the demand driver, and then the store data. Input to the AI, the center part, and then lastly, to provide different recommendation to you, short-term and long-term. And that is one company in US that can reduce the development time 2 to 3 months and also save up to $10 million with the AI. But for hotel, left-hand side, Instead of product data, you have a room data, and then you have the property data, and then the demand driver. Again, go through the AI engine. Right-hand side is what they can achieve. 6 to 12 months time saving just to do better capital allocation planning. And also promotion planning is a lot shorter. So real time, they automated the forecast, and also they make more than 5 million additional revenue with AI. So this is a hotel group. And Carrefour, one of the supermarket, probably you already aware of that in China or in France or Taiwan, many places, they are actually using our AI to implement a lab and also to do that to automate their demand forecasting. Again, all these big brands are using our AI to do demand forecasting and inventory management. Whether it's a department store, online shop, food or drug store, chain store, or the big boxes retailer, they are all using us. So I think almost the end, but partner with us. You not only have Gmail or YouTube or Map or Chrome, you have industry solutions. And of course, you're also using the power of Google and also our expertise in AI and machine learning. And believe it or not, if you're using other platform, it's not that secure, but even you use Gmail only, you will receive a lot less phishing email or ransomware email compared to other email software. So what's next? Just a silly question. If every one of you have AI, every one of you, and all your company are using AI, and all the people around you, your competitors, your friends are all using AI, is AI a equalizer or differentiator? AI is equalizer, raise your hand. Okay. AI is a differentiator, raise your hand. No one? So I assume either or and. Okay. AI is a differentiator only if you are early in the game. Otherwise, AI is only an equalizer. Because when everybody using AI, you have no advantage. The only advantage you have is early in the game and add in your own data, your own expertise, your own workflow. Then you can build your moat or the differentiation around your business. Otherwise, implementing AI, whether it's a chatbot or not, will not help you. Because we all can tell your stuff is actually generated by AI. So think about AI not create content, but AI how to use AI to improve your business process, business operations, improve the margin, and improve the revenue. So AI is a platform business. AI is not about model. AI is about platform, data, and workflow. And this is the Forrester report lately, just released a couple of weeks ago. We are on the top angle, the right-hand side, the highest score ever in Forrester report, Google. And we have 5 out of 5 out of 15 evaluation criteria. So next step, let's start the journey. Align all your decision makers, and then we can try to set up some workshop to discover value, develop a roadmap about the tools you want, and then deliver the solution. Either you build yourself or with our capable partners. AI and Gen AI with Google Cloud. Let's have a moonshot. That's always Google's wording. Moonshot, go to the moon. 10x return, 100x return with the technology. Thank you.